basically the last two weeks, like the last week and this week, you're learning and become familiar with any environment. And then also the last is, if you know all of these details, it will help you to get job, by the way. So that's actually the actual secret. Okay. So if you talk about this kind of the flow, with senior manager, VP, and they will know you are talking very accurately. You are using the right wording and you are analyzing the right thing. So this is actually because our plan is for the student who will be getting things done, they can go to the job market in October. That's the plan. So we are giving the content ahead. We're giving the content as early as possible, and this type of content needed for everybody. So make sure spend a lot of time understand each of these and prepare question, and so that we can answer next week, because next week will be like the end-to-end, what is called the application, the front end, back end, and the database testing actually. Because database, the query is needed for all the people. All the people means the quality assurance, software engineer, and cloud ops engineer, they all need it. So this 3 session is needed for everybody. That's the reason we have been doing it. And of course, you guys are doing very good job as for the engaging. But one thing I will actually advise all of you, once you ask the question next week, then I know that you engage the whole week with the workshop video. The moment people don't ask the question the next week, then I know that either you did not watch or you did not do anything. So that's the way we know that who is actually spending time on our content. So next week, if you guys ask, if you understand everything, great. But the Asif said, once we provide the technical question, things even make more sense, because we kind of we prepared the question from the workshop. So then your learning should be fulfilled. But still, if you do not ask throughout the week, and even not the workshop in the beginning on the old topic, then we know this, that you are not spending time on the workshop. Simple as that. There is no artificial knowledge is required for us, but we know this. Another thing is, ask the less question on the new topic in the workshop. Okay, it is better for you. Again, we have the data, because if you ask a lot of questions, you distract yourself. What happened? You hurt yourself. Why? Because throughout the week you do not spend time anymore. You do not spend time anymore because you are thinking you already asked the question. Instead of absorb everything in the workshop, throughout the week, spend as much as time possible, write down all the questions. Either you ask throughout the week or before the workshop, next workshop, start ask all the questions. This is the best. Even these are all the data, the student who actually take advantage from this type of workshop. And another is, this is for the cloud ops specific. If you ask something during the workshop to show you, cloud ops is different. You have to prepare the environment. Then you need to talk. You just cannot talk something randomly, because if you talk your mentor to show you something, he will ask you, do you have your environment ready? Means everything is ready, I can look at it. If you are talking about a problem, you need to reproduce the problem. Means you need to bring the problem in place. You just do not ask something, can you show me this, from nowhere. So for the cloud ops specific, if you want to bring a problem, do not do in the workshop. Remember that your mentor is available. If you guys set up a meeting in the calendar, you will accept the meeting. Do you have to be in all the meeting? You don't need to be. If you work in a team, one person can represent the whole team, right? Because you guys are doing all the same thing. So there is like a lot of approach. Even with the limited time, you can accomplish everything. With your limited time, limited what is called the availability, still you can accomplish. And I have all the tips. Okay, if you follow them, the things will go very smooth. And the one thing, like if you guys interrupt your mentor, he will not tell you anything probably, but he will reduce the content because you distracted him so that he cannot continue. All the human brain doesn't work when you distract someone, because many people they don't, because they just lost the a whole trend. So the best is take the whole week as your week and prepare as many questions as possible and ask me. As I said, I do know all of this. If I don't know, we will prepare a meeting and your mentor will be answering you. You will be come to your meeting and he will answer you. So that's the way, because the learning there should be like the flow, a nice, like the rhythm, okay? Everything has a rhythm. So take the rhythm, then you will see everything is easy.